Hi, welcome to Zenfolds, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make an origami lily. The prerequisite for this fold is the frog base. If you haven't watched my tutorial, then I suggest you do. We start with a frog base. We want the open ends facing away from us. Take this flap and fold it upwards. We repeat this for the remaining 3 faces of the frog base. Now don't get confused, guys. Notice this side is flat. It does not have any face. Just keep turning over until you see the face. And we are back to outstarting face. Look at this kite shape over here. We want to take the single layer of the edge this kite and fold it along the center crease. And I am going to repeat on the other side. Now I am just going to repeat on the remaining 3 faces. Okay guys, we have done all 4 faces. I'm going to grab 2 opposite sides of the open end and pull apart. These are going to be the petals of the lily. Let me just get a pen or pencil. And I am going to roll each leaf with the pencil to curl it. Make sure you are delicate and don't tear your model. I am just going to do a bit of manipulation over here to tidy things up a bit. All right, guys, here we go, the origami lily. Oh, please let me know in the comments if you found this tutorial helpful, and let me know if you have had success creating a lily. You can find the step-by-step tutorial using the link in the description box. And as usual, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.